Welcome back for another round on Task Tuesday. My name is Kristen Seaholm, owner and creator of the KS Experience, an event consultancy aimed at collaborating, creating, and innovating your way to success. This week on Task Tuesday, I wanted to share with you a really amazing negotiating tactic. It's called the Behavioral Change Stairway Model, or simply BCSM. I learned of this model through Chris Voss, who wrote an amazing book called Never Split the Difference, which is all about mastering the art of negotiation. If you haven't yet read or heard of this book, I highly encourage you to do so immediately. It is also available on Audible, which is how I listen to it. Now, originally, this negotiation tactic was created by the FBI for crisis negotiation. However, it's such a powerful tool that they have started incorporating it into the broader world of business negotiation, which I absolutely love. So let's dive right in. BCSM includes taking 5 steps to successfully negotiate any number of things, and the steps are meant to be taken in succinct order. By the end, if followed correctly, you should be able to create a much stronger relationship with whoever it is that you are trying to negotiate with, and should have a much higher success rate in getting what you seek. So what are these steps, you ask? Let's take a look. Step 1, active listening. Now, this may seem like an easy step, but it's probably one of the hardest. In today's day and age, active listening has become such a seldom achieved art, while we mostly are just waiting for the other person to finish talking so that we can talk, versus intently taking in what they have to say. To succeed in active listening, you'll really need to focus on taking in every single thing your counterpart is saying. Then, when it is your turn to speak, use open-ended questions to draw even more out of the other person. Additionally, paraphrase what you heard back to them so that they know you heard and understood them. This is also a great time to try and identify and confirm any emotions they may have expressed. And lastly, go ahead and take advantage of some intentional pauses for added effect. Step 2 is all about empathy. Progressing from step 1, empathy is used to grow the bond between you and the person you are negotiating with. Through empathy, you are understanding the consideration and feelings of the other side. So, to achieve this, ensure that your tone of voice is genuine and that you convey an investment in their feelings and predicament. Step 3, rapport. Now, this step will evolve naturally through both steps 1 and 2, active listening and expressing empathy, which will only continue to build your bond and trust. Continue your conversation while focusing on reworking the situation in a positive manner, exploring any and all areas of common ground, and really ensuring you are saving face for the other side at all times. Step 4, influence. Now, this step can only take place once you are positive you have built a solid rapport. Once that has happened, you will be in a place to begin offering suggestions, exploring solutions, as well as discuss likely alternatives with the other side. And lastly, step 5, it's time for that behavioral change. As this is the last and final step, you, as the negotiator, will really need to be confident that you have successfully taken the first 4 steps. You will need to be 100% sure that you have fostered a solid relationship with the person you are negotiating with. Then, and only then, can you begin proposing solutions to the conflict that will ultimately affect the desired behavioral change. The BCSM model can be utilized anytime you are looking to negotiate, so it's an incredibly powerful tool for sales. This tactic takes a psychological route for diffusing and rebuilding, so when used correctly, is a sure bet to get you where you want to go. As always, please do share in the comments after you've been able to put this fabulous negotiating tactic to the test. And for those that want to level up, Shoot me a message and let's connect to see how we can collaborate, create, and innovate your way to success. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. See you next time.